Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by collecting every income and adjustment document you received. W-2, Form 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, 1099 INT, and any statements showing payments of 00 or more. Pull records for business income and expenses, rental or farm records, unemployment statements, and the student loan interest statement that shows up to 500 of interest. Also have receipts for educator expenses and health savings account contributions. Open last year's Form 1040 and Schedule C or Schedule SE to cross-check figures and consistency. Complete Part I by listing each source of additional income separately and use supporting forms to avoid errors. Enter non-employee compensation from Form 1099 NEC when payments meet or exceed 00, and report unemployment compensation, prize winnings, and other miscellaneous income exactly as stated on their forms. For self-employed income, calculate net profit or loss on Schedule C and include that amount here. Attach Schedule C to your return. Double-check each figure against the source document and total Part I before moving to adjustments. In Part Roman 2, enter adjustments to income that reduce your adjusted gross income, educator expenses, health savings account, and traditional IRA contributions, and the student loan interest deduction up to 500. Calculate self-employment deductions by computing 1/2 of your self-employment tax on Schedule SE and enter that amount here. Sum all allowable adjustments, verify each calculation against receipts and forms, then transfer the adjustments total to Form 1040 in the Adjustments line, so your AGI reflects these reductions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.